front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access accessibility features. Then select senior mode at the top and click on the gray sweater next to it to activate it. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!